Hello, this is Crowe. I'm doing my daily video for Aisa Love's 100K Mastermind training. Last week, Dr. VOJ showed us the video he was creating, the sales video. But then for our webinar on Saturday, we took a break and they said go back and watch the replay of Aisa's webinar on Thursday. Well, it lasted 3 hours on Thursday, so you might think, oh my gosh, I don't have 3 hours to go back through that replay. But you don't have to spend 3 hours. As you go through the replay, then you can just click on the timeline a little bit ahead of what you're seeing. Just move on to something that you need to learn more about or need to review, and you can go through it in a lot less time than 3 hours. One thing I want to mention is that the ones of us that turned in our vision board, I'm thankful that each one of us, we got $25 for turning in our board. We still have a chance to win the $1,000 sometime this week when they give that away. But by doing our vision board, we're getting our mind set straight so that we know what to focus on. But as far as the vision board, one thing on there was Nick keeps saying, oh, I'm going to be the first millionaire in my family. And I was kind of repeating that, but then I happened to think, well, I'm not the first millionaire in my family. I have a brother that's a millionaire and I have a niece that's a millionaire. So I guess I'm going to have to say, I'm going to be the third millionaire in my family. Now, my brother doesn't consider himself a millionaire. He lives on a farm, and he bought land years ago when it wasn't that expensive and just kept buying more land through the years. So he has about 800 acres on his farm, but then he has a large house, and then the backhoe and the tractors and all that adds on up. He doesn't have $1 million in money. He is worth over $1 million, but he don't have the... So I'm going to be, I'll move ahead of him. I'll have $1 million in money, whereas his is in possessions and land. So anyway, it was exciting doing the vision board. I'd never thought about, I know I've heard other people talking about, take something and post it on your mirror, maybe just one statement, something like that. And I may still do that. I may take like my main focus and put that on a post-it and stick it on the mirror. Even though I see my vision board every day, I have it displayed in my bedroom, then I would still have that main one focus on a post-it note on my mirror so that as I brush my teeth and shave, I'll definitely see that every day and can think about that. So there's an exciting time going on right now. Lots going on and things are really, really going to take off. So I'm ready for the ride. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in a later video.